Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. That you are having a great day. I hope that you've come to my channel because you just know and love me that much. Or if you have found me and you're brand new, thanks. Hi, I hope you enjoy my over 40 sensitive skin, usually frugal, sometimes high-end, old lady, sarcastic beauty reviews. I don't know how to describe myself. Okay, so today I'm going to do a 50-50 get ready with me tutorial, I guess. It's basically high-end. It's high-end with Drugstore, and I guess Tati did it, like she called it 50-50, and then I'm like, I guess I could do that too, because I've done half and half where like I put one half of basically dupes on one side of my face and then like high-end, and that's kind of hard. So this is incorporating just about half and half of high-end and Drugstore, but with but all over the face. So like I have a CYO foundation, which is Drugstore, but then I have Jouer highlighter, and that's like high-end. So it's just like back and forth, back and forth. I'm gonna zoom in a smidge just because I feel like my face is so far away, so I don't know what you guys are gonna get to see. So, high-end and primer, which I thought I grabbed a high and a low, and I didn't. What was I thinking? I've got the Tatcha Putty. I'm sorry, it's called the Silk Canvas. Whatever. I like to just put a tiny little bit where my pores are. The e.l.f. primer putty is great. This one is pretty good. It's got a scent though. I say get the small version. And then I only have this in, I don't have it in a full-size version. I don't know why I keep getting Laura Mercier kind of deluxe sample size of the Radiance primer. I don't know if it was a Sephora Point Perk or I don't know. Anyway, I love it. So not all the Laura Mercier primers are good for sensitive skin in terms of, you know, like just triggers, ingredients, that kind of thing. But this one has a 5-star Beautypedia rating. And I remember buying it like when it first came out and returning it at Sephora because I thought I didn't like it. This was like 10 years ago. And now I love it. So things change. CYO at Walgreens. This is a number 7, a Boots company. Okay, I've got to check to see if I've got a big old bend in my head. No, that's okay, right? Huh, cool. Way to go, little Kristen-esque clip. I chose shade 105, but this is called Long Lasting Foundation, Life Proof, right? It's very liquidy. It's hard to find in Walgreens, like in terms of, I think it's sold out a lot, and it's great in terms of, I think it has a really nice natural finish. I think it's very affordable. I think it's $7 around. And yeah, I think it's long wearing. I can't remember. I think I wore it. Oh, I'm the worst. So that I feel like was so easy. I didn't like mega blend. I just kind of stippled it on with this brush. This is basically a flat kabuki, kind of like a Sigma. And yeah, how easy is that? My Milani concealer. This is shade 135 medium beige. I think it's the right shade right now. I grabbed kind of a light one and a dark one when I bought them. That's good stuff, you know. I'm going to initially use a brush just to kind of get that inner corner. There we go. What's nice is it's yellow, so we get a little right here where my eyes are sinking. Recede, pull that receding, sinking area out, right? Oh, okay. Another CYO product is this contour stick. I am going to contour like no tomorrow. You can do the contour before the foundation, but I forgot. This Morphe brush, I'm going to blend up. Don't be afraid to take different brushes, even eyeshadow brushes for blending cream products on your face. There is no right or wrong. If it gives you precision, do it. Do it. I like to go over the contour and like add some of the Shade and Light from Kat Von D, just a smidge. It's kind of the bronzer shade. I go through and okay, hang on. I got like more on this side. Okay, so hang on, I'm gonna get there. We're gonna go in skinny dip, skinny dip. Oh, jeez. Wow. Hello. That's really vivid. Okay. I am going to take this Marc Jacobs. This is called Ingenue. Wait, is it the Ingenue powder or is the powder Accomplice? I think the shade is Accomplice. This is like a blurring powder. I decided I was feeling super rich when I was in Sephora the other day. And I bought this and I think it's $50. So, but if it says blurring on the label, this girl is a sucker. So I like to just kind of go through. Ooh, the sun just came out, you guys, and everything got brighter. So I hope the light works. Okay, so when I get everything else on, I think things will balance. But that powder, I hate that I love it, but I love it. I'm actually gonna blur out some of this highlighter. Silky Touch blush in the shade Baby Doll. Cannot beat an Essence blush. You just can't. Now, first, oh, I know what I forgot. I am going to put this on. I should have put this on earlier. I'm going to put on this Catrice Eye Foundation. Eye primer in matte. I have not used this before. So let's do it. Waterproof eyeshadow primer. There was a pearl or, you know, metallic, you know, whatever, not matte version of this. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to throw on a quick Busy Gal Brows. Check this out. This is a new palette from Alter Ego. It's called Daydream. It is gorgeous. It's berries and pops of color and metallics and shimmers. This is straight up glitter. These molten duochromes, I mean, they're just kind of metallic, but they feel so good. So anyway, I'm gonna get, oh look, I didn't even notice they have a concealer, a cream. Amazing. What? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay. Ooh, it's a little tacky. That could be over that primer. We are just going to see what we come up with this. How about that? I can't deal. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Sunkissed. I'm trying to, this shade. Fallout, sorry. Damn it. You know why? That's on me, because I did not tap my brush. But this pigment is fabulous. This is only $16, so it definitely goes in the low-end drugstore category. I'm just going to keep it simple. I am going to go into Daybreak right there. I'm going to take the shade Glow, which is this right here. I know I'm like pointing to two things. Right there. Just going over this way. I'm going in my finger with Fairy Tale, this one. It's really amazing, you guys. I cannot deal. This particular shade feels like a cream. It's nuts. I am going to just take a little bit of some Urban Decay Brow Blade right here. Just need a little more. Mascara, I am going to do a high end and a low end. I have got the Revlon So Fierce in my Pat McGrath Fetishize, but I also have this Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer. I have become so high maintenance with my eyelashes, you guys. I love it. Okay. We're going to use the Jouer Nude Lip Pencil. Oh, I cannot get. Okay, going to use the Jouer Nude Lip Pencil. It's so good. It's in their lip kit. I have 2 of them, so I had to keep using. The NYX, I think it's called Natural or Nude, is a good alternate. And also the Jouer Tawny Rose is sold on its own, and it is one of my favorites. It's a more pink tone. So I'm using the I Am Smart Milani. Get these Pat McGrath lip glosses. I got the little ones in the set of 3 at Sephora in the checkout lane. That was the other thing. I was feeling super rich that day. So the shade Dare to Bear is probably my favorite in that set. I love it. I will link everything below. If I have discount codes, I will include those. I think I have a discount code for the Daydream. I think that might be the only one here I've shown you. So yeah, but this was fun. I love high-end. I love Drugstore. I love it all, you guys. So I love indie brand. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click that notification bell so you can get updates and notifications when I post, because I'm not always so on regular. I'm irregular, but only in my videos. Okay, so follow me on Instagram. I have a little link down there below too. Check everything in the description box. You never know what you're gonna find. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.